So I finally jumped on the Streamer.Bot bandwagon. And one of the first things I want to do was, since it's winter time almost, and it's almost Christmas time, I wanted to add some snow to my Twitch stream. So this is what I ended up with right here. Whenever someone redeems a channel point, make it snow. I have a lovely little amount of snow all over my stream. And today we're going to show you how to set this up inside of Streamer.Bot for your streams as well. Okay, so one of the first things you need to do to be able to get the snow effect set up on your stream is get some free assets that are available on nerdordie.com. So there is the Nerdordie website. These assets are completely free, and this is where we get the snow effect from. So you're going to go ahead and add it to your cart, download it, and it's going to come in a zip file. And then once you get the zip file downloaded, you're going to open it up. It's going to look like this right here. And all I did was just basically drag that folder onto my desktop just for simplicity's sake. But you can put that folder wherever you want to on your computer. So once you get it opened up, there's going to be a lot of different folders inside up here that you can take advantage of. So you got a snow machine, and that's what we're going to be using today, is a snow machine effect. And there are some presets effects as well, from, light snow, a lot of snow, to an absolute blizzard amount of snow that you can make available on your stream. But I'm going to be using a couple of these actually to make a much heavier snow effect that you saw whenever we first started the video. Okay, now that the assets are downloaded, we're going to open up Streamer.Bot, as you can see right here. This is not going to be a Streamer.Bot tutorial, so I'm assuming you've already familiarized yourself with how Streamer.Bot works. If not, I'll leave a link to a friend of mine's video as well. It is a simple guide on how to set up Streamer.Bot for use with your Twitch account and also OBS as well. But anyway, just make sure you're logged in. Just go to your platforms, go to Twitch, make sure you're logged in. And now we'll go around and set up our command and our channel point reward for our snow effect on stream. So once you get it set up and logged in with your Twitch account, you're going to go to the action page right here. I already have snow created, but I don't want to delete the one already. So we're going to hit add. We're going to create a brand new one. So let's call this one Snow 2. And we're going to click OK. We don't need to click anything else in here. Then we're going to go to triggers. And since we want this to be a channel point reward inside of Twitch, we're going to go down to Twitch. There's all sorts of different options you have available, but we're going to do channel reward. We're going to do reward redemption. So let's click that. And since we don't have a channel point reward set for this action, we're going to recreate a new channel point reward. So let's just call this one Snow 2. And then we can use a prompt, whatever we want it to be. We can hit set a cost. We're just going to leave it at 1 for right now. You can IQ maximum number per stream. So any amount right here you want to set, let's hit OK. So now we have a new channel point reward that we want to use. And that is going to be Snow 2. So let's go ahead and OK. And now we're going to go through adding the sub actions that we want to be triggered whenever someone redeems the Snow 2 channel point reward. So now that we actually have the channel point redemption set up inside of Streamer.Bot, now we need to go to set up the scenes and the sources that we want to appear once someone redeems that channel point reward. So once you're inside of OBS, I've already created a scene called Snowy. I've got sources set up. These are for the other command, which is Snow, but same thing. We're going to hit right click. We're going to go down. We're going to choose browser. And we're going to create a new browser source, which is Snow 2. Let me erase this out of here. We got Snow 2. So let's hit OK. And it creates a new browser source inside of OBS. First thing we need to do is check local file. And for me, my folders are a little bit different than yours. So wherever you extracted the assets from Nerd.Die, that is where you'll find that. We're going to click browse, go to desktop. I have mine separated out. I wanted lots of snow. That way I can separate them out very easily. So we're going to hit lots of snow. And we're going to choose the HTML file. That is lots of snow. So lots of snow. Now we need to go about changing the width. So 1920 by 1080. Then we need to scroll down to the bottom. Shut down source when not visible. And refresh browser source when it becomes active. So now that we've got our browser source added to OBS, this is what it looks like right here. We have a nice little snow effect. We don't want this effect always showing on the screen. We only want it to show up whenever somebody redeems the channel point reward Snow 2. So what that is going to require us to do is to go back to Streamer.Bot and set up a set of sub actions that will trigger the event, cause the snow to come on screen, stay on screen for a little while, and then slowly turn off and disappear after a certain amount of time. So let's go back to Streamer.Bot real quick, and we'll go ahead and set up this command for us. Okay, so now that we're back inside of Streamer.Bot, we need to create a sub action that will allow us to actually trigger the snow effect on our stream. So we need to make sure we go to Snow 2, and then we're going to right click on sub actions. Let me move this up a little bit so you can see. So right click on sub actions. We're going to go to OBS. We're going to go down to sources, and we're going to choose set source visibility state. So go down to the bottom, set source visibility state. It's going to ask you what scene, what source, and what state. So let's go to scene. We are going to go to snowy because that is where we know that file is at. We're going to go to source, and we're going to choose our source as well, which is Snow 2. And now that we have it set to visible, because we want it to show up on stream whenever somebody chooses to redeem that channel point. So let's go ahead and click OK. And now we have a source available that will trigger the snow on our screen whenever someone redeems the Snow 2 channel point redemption. So now that we've successfully added the sub action that will make the snow visible on our stream whenever the channel point reward is redeemed, we don't want it to stay on the stream the entire time. So we have to create an additional set of commands. That way we can ensure that it goes away after a specific time. So what we need to do again is right click, and we're going to go to core, and we're going to go to the delay. Now you can choose the delay however long you want it to. 1000 milliseconds is only 1 second on stream. So for the sake of stream, I'm going to go ahead and use 10,000. That way the snow will appear on stream for approximately 10 seconds. So now that we have the delay that we want, we're going to go ahead and right click on our sub actions one more time. And we're going to duplicate this sub action. And this time, in changing it from visible after 10 seconds, we want it to be hidden once again. So double click on visible, and we're going to change state from visible to hidden. And we're going to click OK. So now anytime someone triggers this event on stream, it will turn on the snow for approximately 10 seconds. And then after 10 seconds, it will turn the snow off. So now that we've got it successfully set up, let's go ahead and redeem. I'm going to go ahead into my full camera. That way you can see it a little bit better. So we're going to go choose our channel point reward just like we normally would. And we're going to redeem, and we should end up with snow on the screen. There we go. It should last for 10 seconds because of the delay. You can make it as long as you want to or as short as you want to for the channel point redemption. There we go. After 10 seconds, the snow dissipates off of the screen. And there we go. That is just how simple it is to set up a simple snow effect redemption on your stream using Streamer.Bot and OBS. In the event that you want some more snow on your stream, that just isn't enough, you can go back and add individual browser sources inside of your snowy scene. Just to remember that you have to add a separate sub action for each one of those browser sources. That way they will all appear on the screen at the same time. Anyway, link is down in the description below for the free overlay pack from Nerd or Die. Also, there will be a link to in the description as well. For those of you that don't know how to set up Streamer.Bot, to a friend of mine's YouTube channel, Gail Level, he's got a basic guide to show you how to set up Streamer.Bot. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoy using this snow effect on your stream. But until next time, much love, peace out, and we'll see you soon.